Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Deepak and today we are going to learn Git repository migrations with complete branches and commit history from one platform to another platform. So we will be seeing completely step-by-step demonstration in this video. So watch till end of this video. And before we deep dive into the demonstrations, I want you to please do subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the new video notification. So let's deep dive into the demonstration. Well guys, we are inside the demonstrations. What to do? We have to find it out the repository which we wanted to be migrate. So I am on the GitHub. I'm in the GitHub and I just find it out one of the repository which is chat2db. It have some 70 branches, 94 tags and 3894 commits. So I just wanted to be not all 17s I will migrate, but at least we will be going through some of the branches. So I will be targeting main, dev and Mongo. These three branches I will be migrating, and rest of the things that we wanted to be, that is tags and commit history. So quickly let's clone this particular project in our local system. So I have a URL and I will clone this git clone. So I'm cloning this one. It is going to be maybe take a bit time, not that much, but yeah, of course. So this has been cloned. The project already have, so I have this project which is the GitHub project in my local system. What next I have to do? So what you have right now, just few of the commands that you have to hit it out in a terminal to validate and make sure. So I will be writing this command branch so I can see in which branch right now I'm in, and I will also hit this command to verify which all those origins are. So we have origins of GitHub, but we have to do something. We cannot just migrate with this origin. So something we have to do, that I'll be, just stay tuned and we will be seeing those commands too. So first command I will do what? First command I will write remote, git remote, not remote, git remote origin. What is that? Oh, not git remote origin, but what I wanted to do with that origin. So I will be writing as a rename. So rename origin. The current origin is going to be renamed. So this origin is origin with as this one. Now I will be keeping as Deepak. Once again I'll verify. So the origin become as a Deepak. So let's suppose this is what I did it. I just take a backup. I just took the backup of the existing origin. Now what next I have to do? The next things that I wanted to do, I'll have to go inside the different platform where I wanted this particular chat2db repository need to be get migrated. So the migration is going to be happen under the GitLab. So I'll quickly go inside the group because I have created one group according to the your requirement. Just go and do the simple things. What do you have to do? You have to create a blank project. So I'm going to create a project inside the group, and that particular repository is going to be a blank one. So I will be putting a name as a test. So test is going to be aligned under this, and yes, make sure visibility, whatever you wanted to be, keep it private, internal, or for your requirement. According to your requirement you can just do it, but make sure project configuration is going to be a blank, completely blank. There is no readme and all these things. Simple create this project. Once you'll create this, you will be getting a URL, HTTP URL, clone URL, that you get whatever you want it to be say. So I'm just going to use HTTP of the clone URL, clone with HTTP. What I'll have to do now, the next command is that we have to add a origin inside the remote location. So I wanted to be add a git remote, what git remote add origin. What was that? This one. So this is the GitLab origin that I just wanted to be updated. So I just updated the GitLab origins with that particular project HTTP URLs. What next I have to do? I have to now push that this thing. I just wanted to be push the complete things of chat2dbs. Now I will be writing a command git push what is that, minus minus set and upstream, and then origin, what else, all. This is the command git push minus minus set minus upstream origin minus minus all. This is how is going to be get created a new branch inside this new branch. Main has been get created inside the inside the GitLab, and things has been migrated. Like I can say code and all this has these things has been migrated. So for validating and verifying, yes, you can see 3894 commits are available inside this GitLab under test project. One branch, 0 tags. So tags is not yet pushed. For that, we will be simply using the same command, and here instead of that we will be putting as a tags. So all tags will be also available. What is tag? Tags is basically a release and version, what new version is going to be get it released. So according to that, we just provide a version and tags. This is the basically a version, release version. According to the release version, we create tags. So tags also has been migrated. Let's verify it. So we have verified 3894 commits, one branch, 94 tags. What else? The next branch we also wanted to be migrate, right? There was a 17 branches. We haven't yet migrated all those 17 branches. We have only migrated a main branch. So if we wanted to be migrate those branches also, so you have to be git checkout, and then we are supposed to be do dev branch, right? So here I will be using this command git push again, set upstream origin all. Next, not this one, git checkout, sorry, instead of this one, Mongo now, and this one. This is how dev main and Mongo branch has been migrated from the GitHub to the GitLab. So all the things seems to be okay. 3 branches are there, 94 tags are there, 3894 commits are there. So all the things has been migrated from the GitHub to GitLab. So what was in a what was in a GitHub, it's everything has been updated to the GitLab. So this is how the migration is going to be happen, and how we can do the migration each and everything according to our requirements. So you can just go through this video and use the same command to get it done, your work according to need. So hope you like this video, and if you have any question, any suggestions, or any requirement, do comments below the video. If you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon to get the new video notification. Till that time, just go through the video and share your feedback, valuable feedback, comments, questions, and I'll go through it, and we'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.